Hello once again, this is Teacher Mel, your math tutor. We are now on the 6th week lesson for the 3rd quarter. And we are going to teach you on how to find the area of composite figures formed by any two or more of the following: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and semicircle. We are going also to learn how to solve routine and non-routine problem involving the area of composite figures formed by any two or more of the following: triangle, rectangle, square, circle, and semicircle. So sit back, manood, mag-enjoy at makinig sa video lesson na ito. Halika, atin nang simulan. Before we start the lesson, let us have a drill on plane figures. On the left side, you can see the figure, and on the right side, you have its corresponding name. You are going to match the name to its figure. Are you ready? Let's start with the word circle. Where is the circle? Correct. Very good. Next, we have the triangle. Where is the triangle? Correct. We also have a square. Can you find the square? Excellent. Another one, we have the rectangle. Where is the rectangle? Correct. And the last one is the trapezoid. I think you know already where is the trapezoid. Did you get the perfect score? Good job. Now, let us have a review on the formula used in finding the area of the plane figure. Let us see if we can still recall the formula. What's the formula to its plane figure? Are you ready? Let's start with the area is equals to length times the width. Which figure does it belong to? Correct. It belongs to the rectangle. What about the next formula? Area is equals to side squared. Very good. It is for the square. What about the area by r squared? Correct. It is for the circle. Next, we have the area is equals to base times height divided by 2. Okay, it's belong to the triangle. And the last is the area is equals to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. I think you know already the answer. It belongs to the trapezoid. Did you get a perfect score? Good job. Let us now start our lesson in area of the composite figure. I have here a plane figure. Can you tell me how many plane figures are there? Very good. There are 3. The circle, the rectangle, and the triangle. Is it possible to combine the 3 plane figures? Okay, let us see what happens if we will combine the 3 figures. Let us start with the circle. Half of the circle goes inside the rectangle and half remain outside the rectangle. And on the other side of the rectangle, the triangle is attached. What object is formed? Correct. It looks like a pencil. The new figure formed by combining the 2 or more plane figures is called composite figure. A composite figure. A composite figure is a combination of any shape that is made up of 2 or more geometric shapes, just like the figure below. Now, I want you to find the area of this composite figure. Since the figure is formed by combining two or more plane figures, to find its area, we also have to combine the area of the figure formed. Let's do it. Now, let us find the area of the composite figure. The figure is formed by composing three plane figures: the half circle and the rectangle. Of course, we have the triangle. Do you still remember the formula to find its figure? What is the formula used in finding the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. For the rectangle, we have the area is equals to length times width. And for the circle, we have area is equals to pi r squared. I put it divided by 2, it's because we only need half of the circle. Now, let us find out the area for the triangle. Just substitute the formula with the given number. The base here is 6. The base is 6 and the height is 5 centimeters. And substitute its value. So we have 6 times 5 divided by 2. We multiply 6 times 5, we got 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, we have 15 cm. So for the area of the triangle, the area is 15 cm. Now, let us go to the area of the rectangle. The formula used in finding the area of the rectangle is area is equals to length times the width. Look at the figure. The length is equals to 10 cm. But our problem here, we cannot see the width. Since the triangle is attached here together with the circle, and we have the diameter here for the circle is 6 cm, this would be also 6 cm. Okay, we can now substitute the given number. Area is equals to 10 for the length and the width is 6. So area is equals to 10 centimeter times 6 centimeter. Then multiply 10 times 6, we have 60 centimeters squared for the area of rectangle. Now let's proceed to the circle. So here in the circle, we need only half of the circle. That's why the formula is area of the square is equals to pi r squared divided by 2. And we have another problem here. Because the given is in diameter, notice your formula is radius. So you should convert this diameter into radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Since the diameter here is 6 cm, what is half of 6? Very good, 3. So our radius here will be 3 cm. So let us now substitute. What is the value of the pi? The pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, let us now solve. the area of the circle is pi r squared divided by 2. Substitute it with a given number. The pi is equal to 3.14 and the radius is 3 to the second power. Okay, so 3.14 times 3 to the second power. What will you do first using the Gemdas rule? So, exponent. So, what is the exponent? What is the value of 3 to the second power? Value of 3 to the second power is 9. So, that's why we have area is equals to 3.14 times 9. And then the answer will be 28.226 centimeters. And we are not done yet because we are going to divide it with 2 because we need only half of the circle. So area is equals to 28.26 divided by 2. The area of the circle will be 14.13 square centimeter. Now, we are going to combine all of this. So, what is the sum of the three figures? For the triangle, we have 15 centimeter. And for the rectangle, we have 60 centimeter. And for the circle, half circle, we have 14.13. So, altogether, the answer is 89.13 centimeter squared. Let us have another example of composite figure. We have this figure. It's look like a door. Okay, look at this figure. What shape does it made of? Very good. It's made up of half circle and a square. So what's the formula for our half circle? We have the pi r squared divided by 2. So the given here, the radius is 3.5. So let us now solve. So the area of the half circle is equal to 3.14 for the pi times 3.5 to the second power. So first we're going to perform the exponent. So area is equal to 3.14 times 3.5 to the second power. The answer is 12.25. So if you multiply 3.14 times 12.25, the answer is 38.265 cm. Divided by 2, our answer is, the half circle is 19.2325 centimeters squared. For our square, the formula is area is equals to side squared. So based on the given figure, the side is equals to 7 cm. So just substitute. Area is equals to 7 to the second power. What is 7 to the second power? The area of the square is 7 times 7 is equals to 49. So to find the area of this composite figure, combine the area of the two. So let us now add. The area of the half circle is 19.2325 plus the square, which is 49. Combine them, add. The answer is 68.2325 cm squared. Let us have another example of composite figure. We have this figure. What does this figure compose of? Yes, it's composed of a triangle and a rectangle. Let us have focus on the triangle. Look at the triangle. Do we have complete data? So we have a problem here. We don't know the given here. And also, the side is missing. So to find that, let us look at the rectangle. The rectangle, the we can now find the value here. Because from point D to point E, you have 8. So just subtract 16 minus 8 to look for this missing number. 16 minus 8, this will be 8. And we have another problem here. From this side, from point A to point C, the given is 13, but we only need up to here. So since this is 13 and this side also is 7, so if we're going to cut here, so we're going to subtract 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6, so our height will be 6. This will be 6 cm. Okay, we can now substitute the given formula. The formula for triangle is base times height divided by 2. What is our base? The base is 8 and our height is 6. So, just substitute. Area is equals to 8 times 6 divided by 2. So, multiply first. 8 times 6, that is 42, divided by 2. The answer now is 24 centimeters square. Now, let's proceed to rectangle. Formula for rectangle is length times width. So, the value of the length is 16 and the width is 7. So, let's multiply 16 times 7. The answer is 112 centimeters square. Now, since this is a composite figure and we're asked to find the area of this, just combine the two. So, the area for triangle is 24 plus the area of the rectangle, which is 112 centimeter. The area of this circle is equal to 136 centimeter square. Let us now solve problem involving routine and non-routine problem involving the area of the composite figure. So we have the problem is you're going to find the area of the shaded region. So this is the figure. So to solve the problem, you should understand the problem. We are going to identify the plane figure found in the problem. Look at the figure. What do you think are the plane figure involved here? Then, identify the given data. So the given data, this one. And what does the problem want you to find out? You're asked to find the shaded region. Next. Let us now plan on what to do. So the given figure here is a square and a rectangle. So it's composed of two figures, the square and the rectangle. So the given here, the square, the area is equal to side square and the rectangle is length times width. So look at the square. What is the measurement of the side of the square? We have 10. And the rectangle, the length is 6 and the width is 8. So we can now solve. And what is the problem want you to find out? The shaded part. Let us now solve the problem. So the given here is the square, which is area of the square is equal to side square. So this will be your square, the shape outside, because the given is 10 cm by 10 cm. So this will be your square. So substitute the value. 10 squared is 10 times 10 is equal to 100 centimeters square. Now let us go to the rectangle. So the rectangle here is this figure. So from this figure up to this is the rectangle. So the length is 6 and the width is 8. to substitute. 6 times 8 is equals to 48 cm square. So we're asked to find the shaded part. So this is only the shaded part. So we are going to subtract because the whole square is overlapped with the rectangle. So parang pinatong lang yung sa ibabaw, kaya tatanggalin natin yung nakapatong sa ibabaw para ang shaded part na lang ang natira. So we are going to subtract. Okay, so subtract 100 by the area of the rectangle, which is 48. The answer now, the area for that shaded part is 52 cm square. To check if our answer is correct, just find the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is equals to 48. And the shaded part is 52 cm. Just add the two. 48 plus 52, the answer is 100 cm. So, eto na, lumabas na yung area ng square natin, which is 100 cm squared, which is on a side is 10 cm by 10 cm. Problem number 2. A ruler ring floor is shown below. Its end is a semicircle. What is its area? If the hardwood flooring costs 220 pesos per square foot, how much will the flooring cost? So let us now understand the problem. The given in the problem is a figure or a composite figure which is composed of two semicircles on both ends and a rectangle. And we have also the given of the price of the hardwood flooring, which is 220 pesos. And we are asked how much does the flooring cost. So let us now plan what to do. So based on the given figure, we are given a two semicircle and a rectangle. So two semicircle, if you combine, that would be equal to a circle. So we're going to use the formula now for a circle and the rectangle. And then we're going to use this price of the hardwood flooring to find how much is the flooring cost. Let us now solve the problem. So the given is the circle and the rectangle. So to find the area of the circle, we use the area of the whole circle because the figure is composed of two half circles, and two half circles is equal to a circle. So the value of radius is equals to 20 feet and pi is 3.14. Substitute the formula. Our radius is 20, so 20 to the second power times the value of the pi, 3.14. So to solve this, just multiply, just perform first the exponent, 20 times 20 or 20 to the second power times 3.14. 20 times 20 is equals to 400. Times 3.14, we have 1,256 feet for the circle. Now let's go to the rectangle. So the rectangle, the given here is 85, the length, and the width is 40. So just multiply 85 by 40, we have 3,400 feet. Then we're going to add, because we're going to find the amount cost. We have 1,256 feet plus 3,400 feet. The answer is 4,656 feet area of the floor. Then we multiply it by 2,200 for the hardwood flooring to find the amount. How much will cost of the flooring costs? So we have multiplied 4,456 times 220 is equals to 1,024,320 pesos is the cost of the flooring. Let us have the last problem. How much larger is a leche flan made in 12-inch square molder than a leche flan made in 12-inch diameter circular molder? Okay, let us now understand the problem. So the given here, we're going to make a leche flan out of a square and a leche flan out of a circular molder. Okay, the given is a square molder and a circular molder. The square molder has 12 inches on the side and the circular molder has 12 inches diameter. And we are asked to find how much larger is the leche flan on the square molder than the circular molder. Let us now plan what to do. So since we are going to find how much larger is the leche flan made of a square and a leche flan made of a molder, we're going to use the formula of the square and the circle. The formula of the square is side squared, and for the circle, pi r squared. And we are going to subtract because we're asked to find the diameter, how much larger. So subtraction lang po ito. To solve the problem, we're going to find the area of the square and the circle. To substitute the given, the area of the square is equal to a side square. Side of the square is 12, so that's why we have 12 here. So to the second power, 12 times 12 is equal to 144 inches. So for the circle, we need to find the radius. The given is the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So what is half of 12? 6. That's why we have 6 here. 6 to the second power is equals to 36. 36 times 3.14 is equals to 113.04 inches. And then we are going to subtract the area of the square to the area of the circular molder to get how much larger is the square than the circular molder. So subtract, the answer will be 30.96 inches squared. Check, add the answer to the area of the circle to get the area of the square. So to check this one, you're going to find the area of the square, which is 12 inches on the side, and that is equals to 144. So to do that, just get the area of the circle, which is 113, plus the area of the how much larger is the molder, which is 30.96. The answer will be 144. Our answer is correct. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video lessons. This is Teacher Mel saying, the more you practice, the better you'll be. The harder you train, the greater you will see. Bye!